everything that you see here has been shopped over a period of month probably. I have not opened any of the boxes and I'm going to show them to you in this video. So this is all non-beauty. I have bought random stuff for home, for my daughter, and yeah, so let's just start opening them one by one. So this is the first packet. I ordered entire stuff, I don't remember when. I think it's been more than 15 days because I did order some crafts and stationery stuff for my daughter, and she likes to do craft stuff at home. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that she makes a lot of things out of waste. So these are colored sheets, that's all. I think there are 50 sheets here. So the quality of paper here is nice. If your kid loves origami, or if they like to do craft with paper, you know, make greeting cards and all, this is going to be a really good one. There are 50 colored sheets inside. So most of the boxes will have random stuff for kids and for household. I'm going to open this one. So these are some hand towels. I'll just show them to you. So I really wanted some nice white hand towels, and these are of nice size and I really like them. So I bought two. So this is a set of two white towels. Everything is going to be washed before use. Then I've also bought myself a stainless steel bottle to drink water throughout the day. So this is the bottle. I really like the color. It's very beautiful. It's from Cello and it's a plain bottle. It doesn't have glass inside, so you can refrigerate it as well. I just bought it for my daily use because keeping bottle in 1 liter bottle makes sure that I drink at least 3 bottles throughout the day minimum. And this looks really good, and this was I think for 450 rupees. I'm going to link all the products in the description box in case you guys are interested in buying something. And I picked it in red because red is like my favorite color. Now next is this one. I know what's inside. It has wooden spatula. My husband likes to cook. He has a cooking channel. If you're interested, you can just go and subscribe to him. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. We already have wooden spatulas, but he needed new because the ones that we have are very old. So I bought these two for him. There are 2 spatulas. These look pretty nice. This is very big. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but this is like a flat one, and this is the regular spoon. So here is a packet of 2 silicone spatulas. So silicone spatulas are really good when you are doing cooking in non-stick ware. So this is like a plain silicone flat spatula. You can use it for baking as well. This looks pretty nice. It has some really good reviews. And here is a silicone brush. So if he likes to roast and grill a lot of stuff, so this will be really handy to put butter on the roast, or even put butter on the pan. So this is really nice. Looks like really good quality. It has some really good reviews. In that box, this was there. This is Monsoon Harvest Toasted Millet Muesli, Cranberry and Almond. So this is for me. I wanted to buy something that I can eat in the morning, probably with a bowl of yogurt. So I'll start eating it and let you guys know. So I make chila, or I make poha, or I make upma, which is a lot of work every day, and you get bored as well. So I thought, let me buy something which I can make very quickly. So yeah. Next I have this thing, and I know what's inside. It's a wooden chopping board, again for my husband. This looks pretty nice. It still has this plastic lamination on, but it's pretty heavy and looks really good. So I think it's going to be a really good one. Then I have this box. So this has Play-Doh. My daughter really likes to play with clay. So this has some Play-Doh, 2 tubs of slime. Then we have glue sticks because she just goes through glue sticks like crazy. She uses them for her drawing, her crafts. So I bought 2 sets of glue sticks for her. There is one more set here. So there are total 4 glue sticks. She's sitting at home and she really likes to do craft and all. So I thought, I'll buy some stuff for her so that she stays happy. So here is a non-span again for my husband. This is from Futura. And the one frying pan we have right now is the coating is coming off. And we use frying pans only when we shoot, otherwise we use the iron skillet or iron pan. So this is a basic frying pan with the lid. I'm not opening it right now. I mean, he can open it and see whether it's what he's looking for or not. So yeah, this looks nice. It has a lid as well. Then I have desiccated coconuts. So this is coconut flakes, and these are unsweetened, gluten-free and cholesterol-free. I think we are going to make some laddus, coconut laddus with it, because I really crave sweet stuff, and this looks really nice because my husband loves to cook, and we together make something. And here is a pack of shorts for my daughter. These are not for $12.99. I remember these must be less than 750 rupees for 6 shorts. So I'll just open one and see. These are just plain shorts that your kids can wear. Very plain shorts, very basic, soft. These are very soft, made of hosiery material. So I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 7 shorts. So I think it's a good deal because she likes to wear shorts at home. And these are very comfortable, very comfortable. So I'm going to wash these before she wears. So you get assorted colors. So there are a lot of colors. So these are very basic, no fancy stuff, but good for kids if your kids like to wear something comfortable and cool during the day. And I think the quality is also very nice. These are very comfortable cotton shorts, cotton hosiery shorts. So she'll really like it because she likes to wear shorts during the day. So throwing them there because everything is going to get washed. Again, some more stuff for my daughter's craft. I have bought 2 bottles of glue because, like I mentioned, she goes through glue and everything is like crazy. So there are 2 bottles. I think a bottle leaked or something because these are from Faber-Castell white glue. Then I have 1 large pack of oats. These are rolled oats from True Elements. These are 1 kg for 325 rupees. Basic stuff, oats for breakfast. Then I again bought 2 track pants or pants for my daughter. These look really nice. These are of really good size. She's almost 9. She's 8.5 years old, and but she wears clothes that fit a 10-year-old. So these look like a really nice jogger pants or track pants. So these come in 2 colors and very comfortable stuff, very good quality. I think these were for 500 for 2. I don't remember. If you're looking for full pants for your kids, do check the link out. These are really good quality. Okay, my battery is dying. This is a toothbrush holder cum cutlery holder. You can use this to store your cutlery, or you can use this to hold your toothbrushes. It has this kind of a water drain outlet, and water comes out from its trunk. It was so cute. I remember ordering white elephant, but they have sent me a random green, but I don't mind this green. It looks equally beautiful. Then I have also ordered Veet ready to use full body waxing kit. It has 20 wax coated strips. I thought this will be really good and handy if in case I want to wax. You never know. So I've got this one. This is for sensitive skin. So last up we have this, and I know what's inside, and this is something I was thinking of buying for a long time, and it's a sofa throw. And I already have a sofa throw from Saral. It's again in ivory color. It's the same cover that you see in most of my videos on my back, and I bought another one. This is again in ivory and has a very beautiful pattern. So this is the pattern here on the throw. The previous throw is for 800 rupees. I bought it off Myntra. This one is from Amazon, and right now it was for 1000 rupees. But these are of really good quality. If you're looking for buying sofa throws, do check out Saral Homes. So this was all. This was everything I shopped from Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'm also going to do a Myntra and Ajio haul very soon. I bought a lot of tops from there. And I was thinking of doing a Myntra haul, but then I thought I should wait for my Ajio parcel. Ajio had a sale going on, and I have ordered quite a lot of tops from there. So I'll show you when the parcel comes in, and there will be another haul very soon, like a Myntra and Ajio haul, clothing haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, please take care.